A candidate for California Attorney General is on a bus tour throughout the state this week, hoping to win your vote. Our political reporter Morgan Reiner went on board the bus today to ask Nathan Hochman what he would do differently to address California's crime problems.
The bus tour is called Experience Matters because that's what Hochman told me he has, whereas he says Attorney General Rob Bonta has never worked with law enforcement before becoming Attorney General.
Rolling into the Capitol, Nathan Hochman says he's ready to be California's chief law enforcement officer.
I have 30 years of experience in criminal justice issues, from being a federal prosecutor, a U.S. Assistant Attorney General, and a defense attorney.
What's Hochman's plan?
Let me start with the illegal guns. California somewhat uniquely has a list called the Armed Prohibited Persons System List. On that list are people who are convicted of crimes that are not allowed to have guns. There's over 26,000 people right now on that list, a list that has only grown under the last year of Rob Bonta's stewardship.
Hochman vowed to clear the list and remove guns from people who aren't supposed to have them within 18 months of taking office. He also wants to work with lawmakers to reform Proposition 47, which voters passed in 2014 to make anything stolen valued at under $950 a misdemeanor instead of a felony.
In fact, Democrats have even come up with ways to do it. And one of the interesting ways that works on the back of 47, it says that if you commit a series of these property thefts under $950, the second or third one becomes a felony.
The Public Policy Institute of California said from 2019 to 2021, gun-related homicides and aggravated assaults surged by 52% and 64%. Governor Gavin Newsom fights back on the crime narrative, though, saying red states are the ones with the murder problem.
He should draw a comparison to California itself. And let me give you the statistics that Gavin Newsom wants to avoid. 2014 was considered one of California's safest years.
Hochman said relaxing crime laws have led to the state's steady decline in safety.
But this is an incredible state. The question is, can we bring in leadership to get us back to where we were just 8 years ago?
I did a lightning round of questioning with Hochman. Have you ever voted for President Trump? Do you believe in climate change? Do you believe in a woman's right to choose an abortion? In a state as blue as California, these questions are important. He told me he's always been pro-choice his entire life. He does believe in the serious impacts of climate change, and he's never voted for President Trump.